Billy.
No, I was not watching. I was
But
part of
go ahead. No, accuse me of dishonest. Do you know what SWAT stands for?
intervention. I don't
No.
know SWAT.
What does SWAT
Intervention.
stand
I don't
for?
want to talk about SWAT.
What does SWAT stand
I
for?
don't know, sir.
You call yourself a tactical head and you don't know what SWAT stands for?
No, I don't know. I don't know, sir.
Are you a police officer? Yes or no?
I can't answer that. You played the video now. I can't answer that.
Are you a police officer?
What does that video tell you?
Are you a police officer?
I can't answer that.
Are you a police officer?
I can't answer that.
And you don't know what SWAT means?
I can't answer that.
Yeah, at this rate, you're not going to be a police officer for
It is
very
my
long.
constitutional right to say I can't answer that.
Oh, fine. You're
Yes,
the one
and
that
you don't
looks
have
like
to
a
force
police
me.
officer that doesn't know
And
what
you don't
SWAT
have to
means.
force me.
I'm not going to. Chair, I'm going to close. Sunkonazi, I hope that this would go slightly better, but you have proved to us why you are sitting here today. I can tell you now that you're not a leader. You represent a certain thuggish behavior in uniform.